everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. Welcome to week 10 of Mini Melodies, or story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. So this week is all about feathers, particularly geese and ducks. So let's jump right in. As always, we're going to start with you'll sing a song and I'll sing a song. So be sure to take out your lesson plans and follow along. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song, and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song, we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Awesome. So our next song is called When Ducks Get Up. Be sure they get up out of your seat and you jump around. Act like a duck and quack, quack, quack. So here we go. When ducks get up in the morning, they always say good day. When ducks get up in the morning, they always say good day. They say quack, 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 and that is what they say. They say quack, 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 and that is what they say. When ducks get up in the morning, they always say good day. When ducks get up in the morning, they always say good day. They say quack, 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 and that is what they say. They say quack, 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 and that is what they say. Okay, so the first story I'm going to read today is called Splish, Splash, Ducky by Lucy Cousins. She's also the author of the Maisie books, which if you come in and you do our kids vote, maybe you could vote for Maisie. But here we go. Hello, I am Ducky Duckling. When I'm feeling happy, I say quack, quack, quack. Oh, goody, hooray. It's raining today. I'm going to find my friends to play. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drip, drop. I hop with frog. Quack, quack, quack. I like to squirm with wriggly worm. Quack, quack, quack. I'm sure you guys could probably quack better than me. Do your best quacks, okay? A hug for bug and a hug for slug. Quack, quack, quack. Into the pond to play with the swans. Quack, quack, quack. Splash, splish, I swim with fish. Quack, quack, quack. We shake our feathers in the rainy weather. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drop, plip, plop. Rain is funny on your tummy. Quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak, hide and seek. Quack, quack, quack. Oh no, the rain has stopped. No more drips, no more drops. No more quacking, I'm feeling sad. I think I'll go to see my dad. Cheer up, Ducky, here comes the sun. Look at the butterflies having fun. We'll quack together, whatever the weather. Hop on my back and do it with me. Quack, quack, quack. It's a pretty cute book, isn't it? Okay, so next we're going to do a little poem, and this one's called Duckling, Duckling. Okay, so jump up and follow along with the words, okay? Duckling, duckling, turn around. Duckling, duckling, touch the ground. Duckling, duckling, shake those feathers. Duckling, duckling, quack together. Quack, quack, quack. Okay, let's do it again. Duckling, duckling, turn around. Duckling, duckling, touch the ground. Duckling, duckling, shake those feathers. Duckling, duckling, quack together. Quack. Okay. So our next book is called Duck and Goose, and this actually inspired our craft this week. So make sure you come pick that up, and you can make, they're kind of sassy. But you can make a goose with the letter G or a duck with the letter D. Make sure you come and pick that up. And our next book is called Duck and Goose. Oh my, what is that? Duck quacked. That's a silly question, Goose honked. It's a big egg, of course. Of course it is an egg. I know that, huffed Duck. What I mean is, where did it come from? Goose looked skyward. He looked to the river. He looked to the fields. He thought very hard. Who are you? He asked finally. I, said Duck, puffing out his feathered chest, am the one whose egg this is. I saw it first. Goose quickly raised one webbed foot. It's mine. I touched it first. Hey, you should never put your dirty foot on an egg, Duck scolded. Don't you know anything about caring for eggs? Yes, I do, Goose cried out. Stop yelling, Duck yelled, then whispered forcefully, don't you know that you and your screaming are very likely disturbing the baby bird who is trying to take a snooze inside that egg? Goose wished that Duck wasn't right. He lowered his head and whispered softly, I'm very sorry. Go back to sleep in there. My, that's quite a beauty you have, called the bluebird from across the river. Thank you, it's mine, quacked Duck. Actually, it's mine, honked Goose. Thank you. So, asked Duck, what do we do now? We should do something, suggested Goose. Yes, you're right. Good thinking, agreed Duck. Like what? Goose and Duck each thought. See, Duck's thinking about how there should be no geese allowed because that egg is his. And look, Goose is thinking the same thing. No ducks allowed because that egg is his. Who do you think the egg should belong to? Well, we must keep the egg warm until the fuzzy little occupant is ready to come out, said Goose. Excellent idea, exclaimed Duck. He pushed past Goose. Step aside and I shall do just that. But Goose was quick too. After a flurry of fussing, grunting and groaning, slipping and sliding, honking and quacking, Duck and Goose found themselves back to back. Scoot over, I don't have any room, complained Duck. You're much closer to me than I am to you. Stop yelling my ear, Goose. Shh, Goose hushed, pointing to the round thing beneath them. Yes, 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 we must remember. Quiet, quiet, quiet. We mustn't disturb the little one. And so they sat, very still and very quiet, waiting. For a long time they waited. They listened to the crickets chirp and the frogs burp. I'm going to teach this baby bird to quack like a duck, Duck boasted. Well, I am going to teach it to honk like a goose, Goose honked back. I'm going to teach this baby bird to waddle, Goose added. So am I, Duck said. They heard the pitter-patter of the rain. I'm going to teach this baby bird to swim, Duck said. Me too, Goose said. To pass the time, they sniffed wildflowers in the warm sun and shared breadcrumbs while Goose taught Duck to honk. They watched the sun set in the sky, and Duck taught Goose to quack. Oh no, I think they're becoming friends. They counted the stars in the night sky. Let's teach our baby to fly, said Goose. Good idea, said Duck. I'm sure our baby will be a fast learner. Sorry about that. I'm sure our baby will be a fast learner, said Duck. If it takes after you and me, I'm sure you're right, agreed Goose. Together they waited until, do you feel that, Duck? Duck nodded. Yes. Did you feel that, Goose? Goose nodded. It's time, Goose, it's time, Duck squawked. Look, the egg might be hatching. Quickly, Duck slid down and started running in circles around their egg. What should we do now? He hollered. I think we should remain calm, Goose yelled back. Excuse me, a little voice called out. Duck stopped In all the exciting confusion, he had failed to notice the bluebird kicking their egg. "Can I play too?" she asked. "Play! This is no time for play," yelled Duck. "This is no time for games," yelled Goose. "And what's with the kicking?" "I was only trying to get your attention," said the little bird. "Well, you got it," Duck huffed. "False alarm, Goose, back to work." "Can't you see that we are very busy here?" Goose explained to the bluebird. "This is serious business. This is perhaps the most important moment of our lives." "Oh my, I am sorry," apologized the bluebird. "I had no idea. I just thought that maybe I could play with your ball. It really is a nice one," she added, and then she flew away. Goose gulped. "Did she say ball?" he whispered to Duck. "You know, I did have my doubts," Duck finally said. "It is a bit squishier than most eggs I've seen." "Yes, and I must say I was somewhat suspicious of those big dots," Goose admitted. "It may not be an egg, but it is lovely," said Duck. "Oh, absolutely, Duck," Goose agreed. "It's a keeper." As the crickets chirped, the frogs burped, and the grass swayed in a gentle breeze, Goose quacked and Duck honked, and the ball bounced, rolled, and sometimes even flew. See, the whole time, what they were fighting over, they thought it was an egg. It was just a bouncy ball. That's pretty silly, isn't it? Okay, so we have one more song, and then it's time to say goodbye. The song is called Super Duper Cool. I think that ducks are super duper cool. That's saying something 'cause ducks quack and drool. I think that geese are just as special. All waterfowl have webbers and feathers. I think that ducks are super duper cool. That's saying something 'cause ducks quack and drool. I think that geese are just as special. All waterfowl have webbers and feathers. Okay, thank you for joining me today. Let's see what next week. Next week's all about dogs. So make sure that you tune in and you sing along. Thanks for joining. Bye.